A public meeting was held at Eastern Educational Club in Kurai Ahungai yesterday as part of the Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation on Census and Delimitation. The event was jointly organized by JFD, Kurai Ahungai Thangjam Leikai Nupi Kanglup, and the women folk of Kurai Ahungai Meirapaibi. Key dignitaries included JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba, KAT LNK President A. Ridimala, and Ward Number 23 former Councillor Laishram Memcha. Addressing the gathering, Jitendra Ningomba stated that the current crisis in the state is not conducive for the census starting April 1. He emphasized that JFD supports conducting the census, but only after updating the state's NRC to ensure accuracy and fairness. Noting that the state government should prioritize updating the NRC, Jitendra warned that counting illegal immigrants as citizens will affect the state's demographics and resource distribution. He also highlighted the importance of enrolling genuine citizens as government planning and development initiatives rely heavily on census data. Other speakers also stressed the need for collective efforts to update the NRC and ensure a fair census.